Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making Osso Buco. So I'm just gonna season my Osso Buco with salt and pepper on both sides. So just salt and pepper on both sides. So just flipping the other side. Salt and pepper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie my Osso Buco. Make sure it stays intact when cooking. Alright guys, so my Osso Buco is tied so that it stays intact when I'm cooking. So I'm going to coat this in flour. I'm going to shake the excess flour just like that. Then coat the other one. So guys, now I'm going to brown my Osso Buco. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Just oil in the pan. Make sure the oil is hot. And then I'm going to add my Osso Buco. While the meat is cooking, I'm going to cut one onion and my 2 carrots and celery. So just cutting the onions. Alright, for the carrot, I'm just gonna roughly dice the carrot, just like that. And for the celery, also just dice the celery. I'm using 2 sticks of celery and about 6 cloves of garlic. About 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going to set this aside, guys. I'll just set this aside. In the same pan, I'm going to add 1 onion. Just adding garlic. And then cook for a little bit. Adding carrots and celery and cook. Tomato paste, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Then I'm going to cook the tomato paste until for about 2 minutes. So the tomato paste, you need to cook it for a little bit longer to remove the rawness and the bitter taste. So I'm just cooking this for about 2 minutes. So now I don't have red wine or white wine, but I've got apple cider vinegar, which I have combined with beef stock to help with the acidic taste. So the apple cider vinegar, I'm just gonna cook this, bring this to boil and cook it for a few minutes. Adding some mixed herbs, a tablespoon of that, and rosemary, some bay leaves, some Thai leaves. Alright, just mixing this. Alright guys, I'm adding chicken stock because I like the flavor of chicken stock. So here I'm going to add 2 cups. So 2 cups of chicken stock. I'll bring this to boil. Alright guys, in a oven dish, I'm going to put my Osso Bucos, just like that. So now I'm gonna bring the sauce and pour it in. Oven bake for 2 hours. Let me see if I can put the foil on top. Two hours in the oven.